Hi scholarly friends, if you want to know how to hide the menu in Google Docs, then subscribe and keep watching. In the toolbar, click 100%. Choose how big you want your text or enter a number from 50 to 200. In Google Docs, to make the document as wide as the browser window, click Fit. Here's how you can change your view. On the toolbar, click View, then click an option. If you choose full screen, it will hide the menu and toolbar. To exit full screen on your keyboard, press ESC or Escape. The option of viewing it in print layout is only available in Google Docs. You can see your headers, footers, and margins between pages as if you'd printed the document. It's important to note that Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides remember your most recent view. When you change your view, it doesn't change for anyone else looking at the file. And there you have it. If this video has helped you, say thanks by hitting the like and subscribe button.